The Independent National Electoral Commission has reiterated its commitment to address the negative role of money in the electioneering process. The Minister of Information and Culture, Lai Mohammed, has disclosed that Twitter negotiated with the Nigerian government in the wake of the suspension of the microblogging site. Mohammed made this clarification while reacting to the claim by a former senior Twitter official that there was no negotiation between the company and Nigeria to rescind its suspension on Twitter. The People's Democratic Party in Osun State and the opposition All Progressives Congress have continued their war of words over the state's 407.32 billion naira debt portfolio. Earlier, the PDP, in a statement by its acting chairman, Dr. Adekunle Akindele, berated the ex-governor Adegboyega Oyetola for allegedly deceitful conduct regarding his handling of the state's finances. The PDP, however, commended the state governor, Senator Ademola Adeleke, for his transparency and accountability in the management of state affairs. The presidential candidate of the All Progressives Congress, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has refused to make himself available for debate and scrutiny because he had many things to hide. Frank Shaibu, special assistant to the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, said. According to him, Tinubu's refusal to open himself up for scrutiny, evading debates, non-partisan town hall meetings and live interviews has exemplified the biblical theory that the wicked flee when no one pursues, but the righteous are bold as a lion. Mr. Peter Obi, Labour Party presidential candidate, has said the conviction of his campaign organization director general, Dr. Doyin Okupe, over alleged money laundering would not break his resolve to be Nigeria's president. Obi said this during interaction with journalists in Uyo at the Nigerian Union of Journalists, Akwa Ibom State Council Secretariat. Do you think Tinubu is hiding from debates?